play something from this Star Wars piano music book thing. And then I realized that I can't play piano, so that's not gonna work. Okay, so it's been a while and it's Saturday and not Thursday. Again, I'm sorry. I've been really sick these past couple weeks and some other things have been going on. I'm sorry, I'm like tilting the camera. Okay, there we go. But I decided I should make a video today because I haven't in like 3 weeks and I'm really sorry. Okay, speaking of which, I want to take a challenge or a punishment for that because I've missed so much. So I thought about, like, for every video I have missed on this channel, I have to make a video on my own channel, but that's not really a punishment. So I'm thinking of things like I have to embarrass myself in each video that I make or something. I don't know. Lauren, you can give suggestions. And other people who watch this, if anyone watches this, just leave a comment or something about what I can do as a punishment. I'm not gonna make Lauren take the punishment, but I want to take the punishment. So, not a lot going on right now, which is part of the reason why I haven't been making videos, because I have nothing to talk about. Oh, I have an idea. Let me show you around my house, because I don't think anyone on the internet has ever seen inside my house. My house is pretty awesome, so let's go do that, shall we? So this is my backyard, and this is my puppy Odin. Hi, Odin. And that's my other puppy, Leia. You've probably heard them in videos before. Hi. Hi. Say hi to YouTube. Okay, or don't. And then this is my living room. It's pretty boring. This is where the dogs stay most of the time. My kitchen is really messy, so we're not going over there. This is my mom's workroom, but before it was my mom's workroom, it was my dad's room. So that's why we have these just hanging on the walls. Oh, this one's hard. Oh, there we go. And then there are 2 more back here. I can't get to that one, but yep. They're just hanging on the walls. Oh, that one died. Oh well. So, down here, it's a Star Wars poster, Star Wars poster, Star Wars poster, Star Wars pictures, and the front door, coats, and then my dad's room, which, as you can see, is full of Star Wars everything. And this is what my friends call the Star Wars room, because we have Star Wars everything here, and it's all right here. So yeah, there you go. If you have any ideas for punishments that I can take, make sure to let me know, and I'll see if I can do any of them. I'm really backlit. There we go. So I guess that's all for this week, and I will do my best to make a video next week. Yeah, I'll see you later. Bye!